guys, welcome back, and today I am so excited to do this because I am making rice water and I'm gonna put on my hair if it's gonna make it long. So after this I'm gonna make another video after 5 days, or I don't know how much days, so comment down below how much days you guys want me, like say like today, and then after that comment down below after 5 days, and then you do another video to see how my hair grows. If it didn't, then it was a fail. So if you guys get it, then yeah, so let's go for the first one. So yeah, okay guys, I am back. Of course you guys already know that's the place I was standing at. I was like this, like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you just like that because I kind of like the wall. It's kind of white and I like it like me. So first you've been eating rice. Got some rice into my container. I can get a lot if you want. Okay, so you need some water. That's all you've been needing, and just use your hands if you want. But I think I'm gonna use like a mixing tool or something. Just pour some water, not too much because. Okay, so I'm just kneading it. Not really kneading. It's not slime, guys. It's not slime. Until it turns into like a white. That's how you know it's rice water. Until it turns white. Add a lot of water. Like a lot. If you guys did not get what I was saying, like what I said is that after I put this water onto my hair, I'm gonna do it every day, but not really every day. You guys wanna say like this. Say, sorry, that's whiskey. Sorry, whiskey. Sorry, whiskey. Okay, so what I mean is like I'll do my hair every day and say like comment down below. You only have 4 days or 3 days or 2 days or 1 day, and after tomorrow I will do my hair and I'll show you guys how different, like how it looks like. If you guys get it, then thank you. Mix well until you get the water right. My water is pretty wet, so now pour off the rice. Get like a water bottle and just open it and take your rice water and pour it into it. Anytime when you're making rice, this is the best time to do your hair. Whoa. Okay, I guess it's enough for about 4 or 5. Make sure it's not over 5 because over 5 we are going somewhere, so I cannot take a video that time. We're going to town, so yeah. And that's enough. So then just put this onto your hair and do it. Okay, it's better if you put it on a perfume, but I have a lot of perfumes, but none of them are finished. They had different smells. I did not want to put, because I have one huge one, and it's halfway, but I have a lot of tiny ones, but I don't want to put it together because it's going to make a brown color, guys, because my other one is green, my other one is red, my other one is yellow, so of course not. So just pour a little bit and put it onto your hair. Just put it on your hair, and then that's what I'm going to do. Repeat for I don't know how much days you guys want me to like make another video, and I'll show you guys how it grows. So it's right here. You can see it's right here. So that's it, right here. Make sure you guys have another phone. Like you guys are watching onto this phone, and then you guys gotta bring another phone, and then take a picture of me. Take a picture of me of this, like this is how long my hair is. Now see, after about 5 or 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 day, then yeah, you guys could comment down below what time you guys want me to do. Like my sister said for me to do braces because look at that. I I need braces. Like I really need it. I was like, it's too expensive. It's okay. And she's like, oh yeah, just do it. So yeah. By the way, these are not mine. Like I'm just joking. It's mine. It's mine. Okay. So that one was kind of like mine. Kind of drawn to my dad, but it was really not close because I had no idea the eyes, like it's so hard with paint. So but that one was my brother's. I have no idea what he's drawn. It was my brother's. His name is Dutch. Yeah, Dutch. Like there's an island named Dutch. I was like, is that true? Is that true? He born from Germany though, if you guys have no idea. I know I don't look like a German, but I am not. My brother born from Germany. They're about to come here and then yeah, he just born here as well. So he born here, raised here, grown up here. I don't know about. He is 12 right now. He's turning 13 this year. So about 13 years, he never been to Germany anymore. I know. So 13 years. Bye guys. Make sure you guys subscribe and comment below. Make sure you guys comment on below like the time because I'm gonna make a bigger one, but I don't really have time right now because yeah, it's Sunday today, guys. If you guys no idea, yeah. If you guys think like you didn't go to church, of course I did, guys. I did. I did. I went to church and I came back, but we have a thingy tonight that we're supposed to do in church, so I need to dress up a different one because this I went to church with this. I know, weird. So make sure you guys comment on below. Rice water. Just comment on below which day, like 3 days or 4 or 5. Until I see two people say 4 or 2, then I would do it. But then if one person says only 2 days, and then next day you're gonna make another video, part 2 of this video, and then I will not really do it because I'll go for the 2 votes because they really want it, but only one person wants it. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. See you guys later. Make sure you guys comment on below. If you guys cannot comment on below, then I'll choose the day then.